Hi guys, Matt here. This is a video on how to trim Invideo. So you might have a section inside your video that you want to trim. You just want the end parts and delete the section in the middle. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing you need to do is bring up this trim video section. And you need to think in terms of having two parts. In this example, we're only going to delete one section. What we're going to do is what's highlighted, what I'm highlighting now is indicating what's going to stay, what's going to remain. Front section is going to remain, and what's grayed out or diminished in color, faded is the word I'm after, is not going to be included. So what we're going to do, just going to find a section that there's a bit of fumbling around like I'm doing right now, and I want to delete that. So I'm just going to find out where that section is. I'm going to pause the video now, and then I'll come back after I've found the section. Okay, so I found the first section that I want to keep. So the first section in this video here, I want to keep. So anything, remember, that's faded out is not going to be included. Second thing I want to do, well, firstly I'll show, just to double check your editing, you can actually scroll back and forward, and you'll see at the top of the screen, you can quickly drag it, and you may remember as a visual clue what you need to trim out. I'm just going to drag it back slightly left and play it to see the last thing, to make sure when I'm editing the cut is going to make sense when I paste it back or connect it back with the other section, which would be the back section of this video. So I'm just going to play that. We're going to deselect that. So right, what I want to include there is right click wherever you want to go. We're going to deselect that. So right. So I missed out the click part. So as simple as grabbing this here and dragging it slightly past where this indicator is, and see if that's picked up that last section. We're going to deselect that. So right click. There you go. So I'm going to keep that. Now I know this section here is going to be what I'm going to delete, but you need to add a section to the end. So we're going to click on add section. Now I've got two sections. Looking at this little drag point here, we don't want to select the first one because the first section is what we want. Like that, we're fine with that. But now we're going to find what we don't want to include. So I believe it's going to be probably this little grayed out section there. Just going to pause the video and just double check that's what I'm after. So I'm happy with the last section where it's picked up. You can double check and you play it back. So I'm just going to drag this back to the start of that section, and you click on play. That's what I'm trying to achieve there. So remembering the faded out section in the middle is what I'm going to delete. So now all we do is just click on done. So what will happen is we would have trimmed out this section here. So I'll click on done. That's all done for you. So that's how to trim out a single section within Invideo when you're doing your editing. So hopefully that's helpful. Matt K, Bill with K. Cheers.